Welcome to today's session on Kerassentials, an innovative product designed to transform your nail and skincare routine. In this session, we'll explore what Kerassentials is, how it works, and the benefits it can bring to your daily self-care regimen. What is Kerassentials? Kerassentials is a specially formulated treatment that focuses on enhancing the health and appearance of your nails and skin. This product is infused with natural ingredients known for their restorative and protective properties, making it an excellent addition to your personal care arsenal. Key ingredients. Let's delve into the powerful ingredients that make Kerassentials so effective. 1. Tea tree oil, known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Tea tree oil helps to combat nail infections and promote overall nail health. 2. Lavender oil. This essential oil not only soothes and calms the skin but also supports the healing of damaged nails. 3. Aloe vera. Renowned for its moisturizing and healing qualities, aloe vera helps to repair and rejuvenate both nails and skin. 4. Vitamin E***. A potent antioxidant, vitamin E protects your nails and skin from environmental damage while promoting their strength and resilience. 5. Undesolenic acid**. This ingredient is particularly effective against fungal infections, ensuring that your nails remain healthy and strong. How does Kerassentials work? Kerassentials works by delivering a potent blend of these ingredients directly to the affected areas. The formulation penetrates deeply into the nail bed and skin, addressing issues at their source. This deep action ensures that the product not only alleviates symptoms, but also promotes lasting health and vitality for your nails and skin. Benefits of using Kerassentials. 1. Improves nail health. Regular use of Kerassentials can lead to stronger, healthier nails that are less prone to breaking and splitting. 2. Combats fungal infections. The antifungal properties of the ingredients help to treat and prevent nail infections, ensuring your nails remain clean and healthy. 3. Enhances skin condition. The nourishing oils and vitamins in Kerassentials improve the texture and appearance of the skin around your nails, making it softer and more supple. 4. Natural and safe Kerassentials is formulated with natural ingredients, making it a safe option for daily use without the risk of harsh chemical side effects. 5. Easy to use The application process is simple and convenient, allowing you to incorporate it seamlessly into your daily routine. How to use Kerassentials. Using Kerassentials is straightforward. 1. Clean your nails and skin Before application, ensure your nails and the surrounding skin are clean and dry. 2. Apply the product Use the applicator to apply a small amount of Kerassentials to the affected areas. Ensure even coverage. 3. Massage. Gently Gently massage the product into your nails and skin to enhance absorption. 4. Repeat. Regularly For optimal results, use Kerassentials consistently as directed, typically once or twice a day. User testimonials. Many users have experienced significant improvements in their nail and skin health with Kerassentials. Here are a few testimonials. Sarah M. I've struggled with brittle nails for years, but Kerassentials has made a huge difference. My nails are stronger and healthier than ever before. John D. Fungal infections have been a recurring issue for me, but since I started using Kerassentials, my nails are clear and infection-free. Emily R. I love how soft and smooth my skin feels after using Kerassentials. It's become a must-have in my daily routine. Conclusion. Kerassentials offers a powerful and natural solution for anyone looking to improve the health and appearance of their nails and skin. With its blend of effective ingredients and easy application, it's no wonder that so many people are turning to Kerassentials for their self-care needs. If you're ready to experience the benefits of healthier nails and skin, give Kerassentials a try. Your journey to stronger nails and beautiful skin starts today. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hearing about your success with Kerassentials.